Alright, baby. Where is the vacuum? That's right. Where is the stairs? That's right. Where is the light? That's right. Up there. Where's the ducky? That's right. That's right. Where is the piano? Where's the piano? That's right. Where's Mittens? Where's Mittens? That's right, Mittens is over there. Where are the trees? See the trees? Yeah, that's right, they're outside. Trees. Now this is the crazy part. Where is Alexis? That's right, that's you. Now where is Mommy? No, that's not Mommy. I'm Mommy. This is Alexis. Now, where's Alexis? Good girl. Now where's Doggy? Good. Doggy's on the ground. Now, where's Mommy? No, that's not Mommy. Mommy's over here. Mommy. We have to work on that one, don't we? Don't we? Silly. Yeah, that's Mommy.